Ladies, gentlemen, learners around the world, I am very excited to be with Mr. Muhammad Ismail as we talk about the next outstanding course that has been prepared by him in the ongoing quest for computer knowledge, learning, and professionalism. Our next presentation will be strictly focusing on computer organization and the valuable reasons for attempting and learning this valuable content. Mr. Ishmael, please provide us with a brief discussion on computer organization and why it's so important, and most importantly, the benefits of enrolling in this course. Thank you. I'm waiting for Mr. Ismail to establish connectivity to continue our discussion concerning computer organization. Are you available to conduct this discussion, Mr. Ismail?
Yes, thank you very much for inviting me. Great opportunity to introduce my course on the learners, especially about the online learners on my courses.
I want you to be
So
focused
my
on discussing the key components of computer organization because this is the course that we are studying right now for our global audience of enthusiastic learners. Please focus this discussion on computer organization.
my name is Muhammad Ismail. I am an instructor of computer. Last 5 years, I am also teaching online on Udemy and different platforms. So I have published about 35 courses on Udemy, where I have teach 100,000 students all over world. So my this course about the computer organization and computer architecture, where we discuss about the we discussing about the opportunities of learning this course, especially this course designed for computer organizations, which help you to organize the computer, because the computer, how organize softwares and folders in your computers, how operating system organize in computer system, and what is important things in the computer system you organize, because the computer have any house, you can hold it depending on your wishes and your needs, how can hold it according to your requirements. Therefore they help you to organize it according to your requirements and what kind of requirements you have on your uh, computer. So these courses especially designed to office or professionals or freelancers or learners who want to design their courses and help them to organize their course according to their needs, because it's help you to organize your files, folders and steps, and how can keep your operating system and computer up to date according to your requirements, especially designed for the strategies of computers, which help the students organize their folders, files, and strategies, and what kind of softwares they need to know. All hardware and software related information in this course included. And you can join this course on discounted price on link below. If you have any query related this course, you can contact me. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Mr. Ismail, for providing such valuable information on the overall organization of computers. We have operating systems and we have the applications which work in dynamic unison to ensure that the computer operates correctly. But as operators and users of computers, many times we do not have the requisite organizational skills that enable us to maximize the use of our computer. Well, this course simply provides that necessary and very important information to all of our learners. And as I've said previously on different presentations, learning is not a one-time occurrence. We must simply take this information and listen to it more than once. And we must always be ready to provide comments and interact after the completion of each section by providing those necessary and vital written comments. And then at the conclusion of the course, please provide an overall rating and evaluation to indicate that satisfactory learning progress and learning interactions have been achieved. This is very important in the creation of content, and we value the interaction that we have with all learners. We are all learners, And it's very important to continue our interaction utilizing Mr. Ismail's course content as a primary source of that very much needed information. Computer organization is just one of many courses that Mr. Ismail has prepared for our learning benefit. And it's very important that we react and interact on a daily basis on all course content that's being provided. Thank you for learning with us. We appreciate it.